It's 10 p.m. and I have no air conditioning and it's broken. No! I've already spent a decent amount of time trying to diagnose the unit. We have proper powers and grounds to the motor. It's dark. And the motor that is in the air handler does not work. Truck powering on. Yep. Had the cover off. I had Cliff on the phone. He walked me through a diag and the air handler is broken. There we go. So it's super late and it's super hot. So I'm in a hurry. It's getting late. It's just after 10 o'clock. It's getting hot in the house. The kids will not be able to sleep and my wife will not be able to sleep if the house is hot and it's already 79 degrees in there. So I need to make the house cold, and I have almost no options to do that because being a Friday night, there's no way we're gonna get the AC guy to come out and fix the AC. So I am going to Walmart in the middle of the night to go get a window unit to put in the bedroom so everybody can camp out inside of one of the bedrooms. They close at 11 because after a couple years ago, nothing's open all night anymore. So I have almost no time to achieve this goal. But hey, gotta do what you gotta do. Seatbelt, or never mind, yes. What is this? First the van breaks, and then the air conditioner breaks. I don't want anything else to break. So all I do is fix things that broke. No. Now I know what you're saying. Why are you in such a hurry if you've got 49 minutes to get to Walmart or wherever to get yourself deer? Hello, deer. There you are. I see you. Anyway, yeah. It's gonna take, I think, probably about 35 minutes to get there because it's all the way in town. And I don't live in town. I live far away from town. So when something happens, you're kind of on your own. I guess this is going to go hand in hand with my hurricane plan because I like to keep some AC units on hand for if the power's out during hurricane times, because I don't have enough generator to run the central air in the house. So I guess having an AC unit like in inventory will kind of help with the hurricane prep plan. It's kind of low on the totem pole. I mean, creature comforts don't really count when you're in a, survival on your own situation for a week or so. It's the time of the year when things break. It's stupid hot outside. Yay. And really humid. Yeah, look, tonight it's 84.8% humidity according to the Banks module. So yep, we're on a time crunch. I need to get to the store, get a cart, get into the back, see if they've got a window unit. I hope they got one. I'll be very not okay if they don't have one. So let us make haste. I'm gonna get to it. We're gonna hit the big road and we're gonna ride. Because I'm not going to pay the $700 service fee for the AC guys to come out tonight to tell me that the motor's bad and that they don't have one, they gotta order it. That's how it is, Murphy's Law. So we're gonna handle this situation and I'm gonna call them tomorrow. Race mode engaged. Get out of here. While we're here, I was thinking, you guys remember that video I made about the all lights on module? That it's a little device that went into the fuse block on these particular GM trucks, and when you would kick your high beams on, it would turn on the fog lights, it would keep the low beams on and engage the high beams at the same time. You guys remember that video? It was, I posted it on the second channel probably about 3 months ago. I'll go ahead and put the link for that video down in this video's description if you would like to check it out. And as soon as these cars go by, I will show you guys why it's not such a horrible, illegal, useless, pointless, possible modification that ruins your alternator that you can imagine. It is actually, it does have a place in the world, and that place is in my truck, and I will show you the reasons why in just a moment. Okay, the cars have passed, so we're riding along. We are have regular low beams on. These are good low beams. They're not dim by any means, but we're gonna go ahead and turn on the fog lights. So there's fogs, also halogens, and that's all lights on module. So we've got fogs, highs, and lows, and a car. Shut it down. See, that's all you gotta do when a car comes. You just turn it off so they don't become blinded. That's pretty much the same protocol for anytime you have high beams on. But yep, so we got low beams, hang on, that's low beams. I had fogs on. Low beams, fogs, high, low, and fogs. So the fogs give me a flood feature on both sides. Low beams light up the roadway, and then my high beams, those reach out a little bit when you want some extra range. So these things actually do have a function. So I think that's a pretty cool mod, and it works for me, and especially in situations like this where we have deer and hogs and whatnot running around all hours of the night. So it's actually a safety feature because it gives me full field visibility of viewing in the twilight hours of the night. Because you can see we have no moonlight tonight. It's cloud cover-ish. There's no stars, no moon, no extra light, only that which I have brought with me. And if I want to look behind me, I got lights back there too. Booyah! And it doesn't matter if it's illegal in Europe or if it's illegal to drive around town with all those lights on, because I'm not in town and I'm not driving around town and I'm not blinding fellow oncoming motorists because I turned them off, because I'm a responsible, massive front end headlight driver guy. So I figured I would share that with you while we're riding along. On our way to Walmart, still riding. So yeah, I guess there's a silver lining to any situation. I got to do a follow-up example in the middle of the night on why those lights are actually okay, and then I get to do the AC problem solving thing, which I'm not too thrilled about. I was busy. I got stuff to do. And this isn't it. I've already been in town today. I don't want to go back. And it's late. It's 10:30, almost. Check out this scary intersection coming up. Or intersection, scary curve rather. You gotta apex the turns through here. It used to be easier, but then they put in these like little rumble strips, so it deters folks from crossing over the line to get a better line on this turn right here. It's kind of scary, especially since it's a blind hook at the end. Let's go ahead and swerve on over. Yep, come out with speed, full steam. Not gonna lie, I kind of like the late night turbo diesel drone, and then hearing the turbo change speed. It's really nice, just watching it go. Pew, 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 pew. It's 10:25, 10:26. I don't know if we're gonna make it. Really don't know. Oh, there's a car. I saw one way up there, car. We have approached the Freedom Factory and the quarter-mile drag strip. What's going on over here? Nothing. They're done for the night. We've begun to approach civilization. Sort of. Alright, time to back it down. We've got speed limits coming up. I mean, we had speed limits before, but there's no one back there to pay attention to them. 20 minutes remaining. One red light to go. Almost there. Hello, Mustang. Hello, Sheriff. Begin turning now. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. It's either this works or I have to spend all night with nobody sleeping. I mean, I can sleep in it, but Chirins can't. And they better not try to check my receipt. No, I have entered no such contract with Walmart. You know, it's funny, they keep all the entrances closed. Like, they started doing that a couple years ago when it was not okay to go outside, and then they never reopened like the garden center entrances, except for on days, you guys go ahead, except for on days when it was like a big spending day, you know, like like Black Friday, for example. Then they open up the entrance to the garden center and the other entrance. Yeah, they're still doing that. Very weird. Move. Parking. Could have parked there. Yeah, I'm the guy that parks in the back. Yeah, this one's good. All right. Parking the auto. Firing down. Let's get out of here. All right. Never been so enthusiastic about Walmart before. What is this? Walmart's closed. Warning! Are they gonna lock me in? I should go see if somebody can meet me at Sporting Goods to get stuff out of the cases. So what do they do if Walmart closes and people still keep coming in? All right, left turn. Air conditioners, home goods in the back. There better be one here. The website said they had one. They better have one. Window unit. Problem solved. Yeah, I think 18,000 British thermal units of heat transfer pumping power should be sufficient for the weekend. Another. Come here. Is that broken too? Great. Oh. Number 2. There. That was a fun little outing. Let's get out of here. Open truck. Open sesame. Restarting the engine. Let's get out of here. Woo! Back to the house. So yeah, I had to start talking about ACs breaking down last week, and all of a sudden, my AC's breaking down. Both of them. This one and the one at home. Not fair. I gotta learn to stop talking. Nah, I'm not gonna stop talking. Where's the fun in that? I have a cheap victory, except for that part. We need tape.
Tape?
Yeah, we need tape. We gotta tape that closed. I don't know. No, that's packing tape. We want to use what you call it? Duct tape. That way it leaves those like imprints all over the place, right?
No.
Yeah.
Oh no.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Oh, look at the fancy blue light.
Maximum cooling capacity. Begin cooling now. All of it. Eco off. High fan. Yeah, there we go. Oh look, it's Bluetooth. That's.
It's voice command too.
Yeah, whatever. I just need cold air. Well, it's hotter than 82 degrees. Okay.
Yeah,
One down, one to go.